We are proud to announce the launch of our new website at x-stream-group.com. It has been redesigned from scratch, so all the information from the different X-Stream family websites has been aggregated into one. It's now easier to navigate and understand exactly what our company offers. Here, you can find every single product and partner in our portfolio, alongside a detailed description explaining its role in the workflow, technical information, features, and the team behind it all. Users can contact the X-Stream team at any time for a free demo or trial of the software. Also found on the website are the professional software integration services that we provide to build, maintain, and streamline your media IT projects. Last but not least are the solutions that we offer businesses in the media industry. Based on previously successful projects, we've connected existing software tools that are ready to be used and adapted to other media environments. As usual, we are constantly updating our events and news pages with the most current information. Please check it out and let us know if there's anything we can do for you.